Hello friends, hi viewers, once again welcome back to Teresa Josephine Kitchen. Hi, I'm Josephine here. As usual, I bring some new recipes to you all. Today I brought a new version, that is my version, my creation. At home I just tried. It became very successful to my family and my kids. And this is very simple friends. Beans Paneer Kadai Curry. This is. It is a side dish and it is a lunch for the tiffin box also. We can keep it for your kids or for your husbands or for office going people also can take. Lots of protein, lots of minerals, lots of vitamin C and vitamin A and vitamin proteins, nutritional are present. As you know about the beans, lots of nutrition is there in that. So friends, these kinds of curry, mostly if we'll cook simple way, in our own way, our kids, they won't take. They won't have also. In this creative way you make and give for your kids and family, sudden guest, if they comes for them also, if you serve like that, they'll be appreciating you and very unique and very simple recipe also. Ingredients also, what is available at home, very simple, we can use. No spices are there, all the kids don't love spices many times. These kinds of spices is enough friends for the kids. For the health, growing child have to take. So friends, let's go into the process. I have a small request with you all friends. New viewers, new friends, please like it, share it, comment it and click the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, thanks for encouraging me. Friends, for paneer beans, chhena beans also we can say, the ingredients we'll see. First, we have to take the 250 gram of milk I've taken and I've curdled. And actually for paneer we'll be making thick, but for this we should not make a thickness, just like this only leave it. And this water also we are going to use for this. After that, I've taken 250 gram of beans, nicely slightly I've chopped, and I've taken onion and one onion and one chili like this. These are, take a pan, that is kadai, anything else. Pour oil, 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat well. We'll put the mustard seed, cumin seed. So friends, the oil has been heated. Take a mustard seed, 1 teaspoon, and cumin seed, 1 teaspoon. That is the ingredient friends. This nicely that it have to split, and immediately put onion, sliced onion, and saute it well. Add green chilli. All ingredients nicely we have to saute. 1 tablespoon ginger. Only ginger we have to add. Nicely the raw smell have to go. So friends, in this stage we have to put some curry leaves. Bunch of curry leaves. Saute it well. So friends, now it has been sauteed well. In this stage what we have to do, put this beans, cut beans, chopped beans. Now saute it well, this beans, for 2 minutes in this oil. After 2 minutes, add salt. Why we are adding salt now? Because the color will be not changing and taste also will be very yum friends. And now 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. That's it friends. These are the ingredients we are used. Now nicely we have to saute it unless it cooks. The last, the special ingredient, we are going to add it. Now friends, after sauteing nicely, it started cooking almost, it has 1/4 it has been cooked. In this stage what we have to do, which we have taken that curdling milk water, no, that we have to add 1 cup. Just 1 cup we have to add it. These we have to, in this water itself we have to cook friends, completely. Friends, after 10 minutes you can able to see nicely it has cooked. And the last thing, what we have to do, we have to add, the water also will reduce. In that water itself it has cooked well. This paneer is there, no? We have to add, which we have taken the paneer, the fresh one, we have to add it. After adding, mix it well friends, along with that masala. Believe it, this will be very yum. Mix it nicely. That should spread in every way. Now our chheni has been mixed along with beans. More 2 minutes is enough friends. Last 2 minutes. Total it will take hardly 15 minutes to cook this beans, paneer beans, chheni beans also we can say. This curry is a very yum, very healthy, very nutritional and very protein. Done friends.
Our yam kadai paneer beans has been got ready. Yam to serve. This will be taken side dish or else with chapati. And for kids tiffin box also we can keep. For your husband's tiffin box also you can keep. Friends, any guests are coming for unexpectedly they will be coming. Like that time also you can serve, you can make it and you can serve for them. And any occasion you can serve it. Friends, this is a very unique recipe and very nutritional, and protein is present, friends. Friends, our kids mostly, many times, they will not have a milk. So like this type of things at home if you will make and if you will give curries, they will love, and for their health also it's good. Before that, I want to share that please subscribe my channel, watch completely my video, share it, comment, and click the bell icon also. Thanks for watching. Meanwhile, we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.